Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful designing on the neckline using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'd be using ball chain lace, also the stone lace. This is how it looks. And firstly I'd be applying 3 glue lines, one after another. Then I'd be sticking first with the chain ball lace, second with the stone lace, and again with the chain ball lace. This is really beautiful and simple neckline which you can try on your old blouses also to create into new designer blouse, or else you can also try for the new blouse designing. It looks simple and very easy to do. So like this we have to stick the chain ball lace. And now next to this I'd be using antique gold Zardozi of small size. Placing besides the chain ball lace, I'd be giving an invisible stitches for the joining of this Zardozi string. For that I'd be using cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle. Hold firmly with your finger because this will stretch as it's having the property of spring, and holding with the finger you will get the nice clean finishings with maintaining the stiffness. These are yellow color drop shaped kundans of very small size. Now I'd be applying the glue lines with 1 centimeter gap between each of the drop shaped kundan like this. Now on these glue lines I'd be sticking the drop shaped kundans. These materials are easily available in the fancy stores, ladies corners, or else you can also check with the link provided in the description box. These are Rangoli kundans, you can clearly see here. Also you can try with the rhinestones. These are very small size of circular shape. I'd be applying the glue dots in between these drop shaped kundans like this, and now I'll stick these Rangoli kundans. And next to this I'd be using gold Zardozi string of very small size, just inserting in the needle. This I cut off in 1 inch in length. This is to highlight these drop shaped kundans, and at this tip I'd be joining the pearl of very small size. This is how we have to highlight all the drop shaped kundans. These are very simple creative necklines and yet look stylish, very less time taking, also budget friendly. Now I would also give an invisible stitches on these 3 lines which is of chain ball lace. This is how we have to give an invisible stitches on it, so that even after the frequent washes also it will not come out. So each line I'd be giving the stitch so that the stitch which we are giving will not visible. It's up to you, you can join all 3 together at a time, or else like this each individual line you can give the stitch. And once completed, the designer neckline would look like this. Really friends, this is looking so awesome. You must try this type of designs on your old blouses. Also you can try this on for new blouse designing. Hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, might be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Minds World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.